Hello everyone. We are discussing scripting JavaScripts. So in a JavaScript, we are discuss about a function that is a reusable code block that will be executed by an event or when the function is called. So as you know everyone, the functions contain some code that will be executed by events or called to the functions in programs. So function is a set of statement. You can reuse function within the same script or in other documents also. In other document you can call a function in it. So you define a function at the beginning of a file in the head section in a programming, and then you can call them later in the document. This is a JavaScript method to alert the users. We are using an alert. This is a predefined function. That is we are passing. This is the message. How we can define a function? To create a function, you define it as a names, any values, arguments, and some statements like function. In which my function, like argument 1 and 2, we are mentioning here and we are passing some statement in it. So when a function is a no argument, we are passing some statement and we are not passing argument in it. So this is arguments. Arguments are a variable used in the functions as we are passing. So by placing function in the head section of the documents, you make sure that all the code in the function has been loaded before the function is called. So function return a value. So whenever we are calling an expression as we are mentioning, then we have to pass a return. We can call a function. Function is not executed before it is called. The function containing n arguments, as you see argument 1 and 2, we are passing n number of arguments in it. Without arguments, we are mentioning in this way. Return statement. Function that will return a result must use a return statement in it. So statement specifies the value which will be returned to where the function was called from. So we are passing here a total and we are passing this type and the result a plus b. So we have to return a value that is said to be a result. When you call this function, you must send two arguments within that, like this is a sum and we have to pass these two arguments in it. Whatever we declare above the arguments, similarly we have to mention. So conditions. In a JavaScript, the conditional statements, there are different action based and different action and condition has to be specified. So writing a code, you want to perform different action for a different decisions. So you can use a conditional statement in which like this is a statements. As you know, a first if statements. If use the statement if you want to execute a set of code when the condition is true, it means there is no false condition. If you are sure about a statement, it means it's a true, then you have to use a if statement. But in second case, if you mentioning if there is any other option that is a false, then you are using if else statement. So use this statement if you want to select one of two sets of lines to be executed in it. So there is third part, if else if statement, in which you have to use select more than one, many lines to be executed. Then another part is a switch statement. So in switch statement, if you want to select one of many sets of line to be executed and you specify a particular uh, required result, you can use a switch. Now, this is an explanation of if and else statement where we should use the if else statement. There is a mentioning we have to use some codes in it, and else if it's true, either it's optional. This is the code, this is the if else. We have to mention this is a false part, this is a true part. And if it's a if statement, we are using with the scripting type. We are using this is an example of a date in which we are using a variable passing a date and get hours, in which time we are mentioning 10 and 10 is before, then it's specify a good morning. Otherwise, we are not mentioning anything else because this is only if statement. Using else, then we have to mention a document dot write good day means 10. If there is no 10, then before 10, after 10, it will show a good day. So we are using if else. This is the syntax of if else statements. So you are using if I'm passing a condition. This is a statement you are mentioning here. Then you are writing a if Else if you again write a conditions, then write about true. Else this is an executed false is the false part of the you would like to say if else. Now we are using in this way. We are mentioning a date, that is the current date of the system. They are using hours, your system hours. If the time is 10, then you are using a good morning. If that between live between 10 and 16, it's a good day. Else it will show hello world. We are passing some statement. B is a break bold that's mentioning in it. So we are using this document.write for output point of view, whatever the show on your screens. So this is the scripting, beginning and end of the script. Switch statement, that is expression we are passing. We are using a case statement. We are mentioning a brief. If you are not mentioning a level 1, 2, you are using as per your requirement. Level might be A, B, C. You are mentioning a name also, but in a single quotes. You should use as per your requirement. How first we have to use a single expressions, that we are mentioning expression which is compared with the value. If there's match, we are using a break if we exit from the code. This is an example of script we are mentioning here. That is, you can use a greeting Monday, Tuesday, etc. We are passing a current day. Now we are using a case 5. So the day they are using this one, then d dot get day. D is a variable that we have to mention and creating an object, and they are using current date. If there is a, we are clicking on a 5, it will show Friday. If we click on 6, this is a Saturday. If we are enter a value 0, it is automatically show a sleepy Sunday. In a default, we are writing this. I am looking forward to the next. Conditional operator. As you know, this is a variable name we are passing here. We are mentioning a condition here. If it is true, it is show this, else this. We are using it in a JavaScript by using this a colon. Thank you.